Hello, I am Ashiqur Rahaman. In this video tutorial, I will talk about how to install Facebook Pixel manually in your WordPress website. So let's get in this directly. So first of all, you have to visit business.facebook.com. By going to this link, you will log in to your Facebook Business Manager. Then you have to go to business settings. So let's click settings. Now business settings, click here. It will open. Okay, so we have to create pixel. For this we have to select right business account from where you want to create Facebook pixel. Now go to data sources, then pixels. From here you can create Facebook pixel. You can see I have lots of pixel. Anyway, let's create another one. Let's create add. Click add. Then name your pixel name. Let's name this demo pixel 1. Okay, so this is optional. You can put your website URL. So this is my website. I already logged in the backend. So let's copy this. Now paste it here. So we will basically install it manually by theme editor, but if you want to track your website data more deeply, you can do this by tag manager. So we will discuss how to track your pixel through tag manager, but in the later videos. We are doing this video to make your concept clear. Okay, let's create. Click continue. Now set up the pixel. Now here you can see many options, but we will click setup manually. Okay, so now we got a code. For this reason we have to save this in another place, because it will somehow lost if we don't save this. So let's paste the code here. Now let's go to the WordPress dashboard and go to appearance and theme file editor. Here you can see the instruction. Copy and paste the pixel code into the bottom of the header section of your site, just above the slash head tag. Okay, we understand. Let's click header.php. Here you can see the head tag. Okay, come here. So as we copied this, you can see here. Sorry, you can see the code here. Let's copy from here, or we didn't cut the tab, so you can copy from here. Just click on this. Now here is the ending tag. This is a HTML tag which represent HTML function, HTML which represents some HTML code. Head is a tag, so this is slash head. So we have to paste it here. Just simply Ctrl V and paste it. Now update file. We are done. So how can we be sure that it installed successfully? So let's visit our website first. You can see this is our code. Okay, let's continue. We have done setup. So use Facebook's event setup tool. Let's cross this and even open in events manager. demo pixel on will open in events manager. Now let's check our if our pixel is working or not. So continue pixel setup. Conversion API is not our thing. Let's meta pixel connect. Install code manually. This is done. Continue. Continue. Open in the event setup tool. Now paste your website link. In this case, I am copying this now and pasting it. Let's cross this. First of all, we have to visit our website. Now we have to install a plugin or Google Chrome extension to see this Facebook Pixel Helper. This the name is changed. Now it is Meta Pixel Helper. Add it. Let's reload this and we can see if it is working or not. You can see page view is working. So uh, let's continue. Go to pixel overview. Now test event. Provide the browser website URL and open website. If we load this, we can see page view processed. That means our pixel has been set up perfectly. Thank you very much for watching. You will see this kind of web analytics video later. So to be updated, please subscribe. Thank you very much.